Hi friends, this video shows how to upgrade old Google TV to Google TV Android TV OS 14 using Google TV Streamer 4K device. See, this is a Google TV Streamer 4K device. It has Android TV OS 14. Let me check the ports. This is a HDMI output port. Here we can connect HDMI cable from the TV. This is a LAN port. Here we can connect LAN cable from the modem or router so we can access internet. This is a USB Type-C power port. Here we can connect power cable from the power adapter. This is a reset button and this is a LED light. First I am going to connect this power cable. Okay, here you can see LED light. That means right now this device is booting. Next I am going to connect this HDMI cable to this HDMI output port. Other end of this HDMI cable we can connect to TV. Let me connect this end to HDMI output port. Okay, done. Let me connect other end of HDMI cable to TV. Okay, done. We need to press and hold back button and home button. These two buttons together to pair the remote. After that we would be able to see content from this Google TV Streamer 4K device in TV. See. Let me check Android TV OS version. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about. Go down. Here you can see Android TV OS version 14. See, this way we can upgrade old Google TV to Google TV Android TV OS 14. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share.